Okay guys, hey, this is a different setting than what you're probably used to. First of all, um, I haven't recorded a video in my new kind of beauty room, if you will, or my new beauty setup, but I thought I would do a video outside on my patio because, I don't know, why not? I thought I'd do some makeup outside and it's really hot. I'm literally sweating. I should have done this earlier because one, we face the west so the sun wasn't over us right now. It's like right above there and it's like coming straight through. And two, it was also cooler earlier, so whatever, it's fine. I'm gonna try to zoom through this though because I don't want my stuff to overheat. So yeah, so I wanted to do something like ocean beach inspired as like a tribute, if you will, to me being back in Florida. So I wanted something like kind of like this, except I don't have like, I don't even know if you can see that, but I don't know if the like, I don't have like the pearls and stuff, but something, I liked the like blue and green like across, so I think I'll do something like that. And I think I want to do bleach brows as well, not like actually bleach my brows, but like make it to where it looks like they are bleached. So let me show you what I do. So I'm just gonna take some concealer that's like relatively close to my like face shade, I guess. So I'm using the LA Girl one in, I think it's Bisque. Then I'm gonna kind of like set them, if you will, with some powder. You guys probably aren't even gonna see the makeup at all because the lighting is so bad right now, but it's whatever. I'm gonna take my lightest concealer. I would prefer to have like a white concealer, but this was the lightest one that I could find at the time. And I think I'm gonna kind of put this like all over where I'm not gonna wear foundation, so I think I'm gonna kind of blend this out wherever I'm gonna put that color. Before it sets, I have like a multitude of palettes right here because I wasn't really sure, because I don't really have like one palette that has it all, but I have like my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and it has some blues and greens in it, and then I have this one. This is a Donut Care palette by Violet Voss, and it has this really pretty like shimmery blue in it, so I thought maybe I could use that. This one, the Violet Voss Essentials 2, has this really bright blue here, and then my ColourPop Powerpuff Girls collab has this pretty blue and this really pretty blue glitter as well. So kind of just a multitude of things. I think I'm just going to start with this one and kind of just, I don't know, take my brush and go for it. We're winging it. It's fine. Let's just take this, we'll take this blue maybe. Just, I don't know, I guess just like put it kind of in the crease. Maybe we could do like blue on the eyes and like more greens and stuff on the like sides and stuff. I don't know. Like I said, kind of winging it. I'm gonna take the blue, the light blue from the Powerpuff Girls palette and put that on the eyelid, like where I didn't put that other color. I'm like, do I want to go for a more like tie-dye thing or a more intentional looking thing? Let's do this really pretty teal shade in here. It's like a green, but it comes off more teal, I feel like. I'll do that, like maybe across here. And then take that same shade and blend it out here. I find I struggle with more like avant-garde editorial type looks because I'm not good at like being random with my looks. I feel like I have to be really intentional, and I think that just comes from me being a perfectionist, but it's really kind of annoying sometimes because I really would love to do the more, you know, out of the box kind of random seeming, if you will, eye looks, but I just feel like I can't because my like brain won't allow it, you know. I'm gonna take that lighter green from the Powerpuff Girls palette, and I'm gonna kind of put that in random places on top of that darker green just to give it a little bit of lightness in places. Gonna be it for the shadow. My poor brush is a mess now. Okay, now I'm gonna take, oh, I'm not quite done, I forgot. I'm gonna take this beautiful blue glitter from the ColourPop palette and pat that onto the eyelid. Ugh, I just used glitter yesterday too. Then I think I'm gonna go in. Oh, I also want to use this as kind of like a highlight, maybe, or I don't know. We'll try to use it as a highlight. I don't know if it will work though. It's so like glittery. It's just like coming off whenever I tap my brush. There's a car alarm going off. Hopefully it's not my car. But I brought my little gems, so I thought maybe I could put some like blue and green gems all over the place. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Sure. I don't know. Maybe once I have like mascara on, it will call to me better. I don't know. I just feel like. And now there's a dog barking. I swear. It's every time. Yep. Yep. I think I'm just gonna move on to mascara. There's a dog that's directly above us, and I don't know if like the owners leave it outside a lot, but like, oh my gosh, it like barks all the time. And it's like, since it's a little dog, it has a very like shrill bark, and oh my god, it's all the time. I'm like why are they leaving it out so much when it seems to not like it, or it seems to be, you know, reactive or whatever. It's like, stop. I don't even know if it's reactive, honestly, because like we'll be inside and it'll be barking. It's like, okay, well, cool. I did falsies for my look yesterday, so I really don't feel like doing them again today, so I'm not going to. That wasn't supposed to happen. I mean, it's like kind of giving. Is it giving what I want it to? I don't know, but somehow my camera is still going solid. I don't know how, but whatever, I guess. Okay, now we're gonna finish off with the lips, and I packed myself a very simple lip, so I'm gonna use this kind of warmer nude pencil. not the best I've ever done, but let's be real here, this isn't the best I've ever done in general, so. And then I just brought out this Basic Beauty lip oil in summer. It's like this pink shade, but the shade doesn't really show up, but it's fine. I'm gonna do that on top. Get a little gloss going. It's not bad. It's not like the worst look I've ever done, but it's definitely not the best. But yeah, I'll put in some pictures of the final product right here, so that you can see it in better lighting. But that's the video, guys. I hope you like it. I'm hoping to get into a lot more different content now, so hopefully I'll have time as well. We'll see. But yeah, I'm excited to see what stuff I want to do, like cooking stuff. I want to do like trying out stuff along with makeup. Of course, I'll always do makeup, but it's just like an easy go-to for me. But definitely a lot more things. Maybe some vlogging. I don't know if I'm comfortable with like filming in public yet. Even this, we face the back of the complex, so like no one ever walks back here. But even now, I'm like, someone could be walking their dog back here, and I'm like, but yeah. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Follow me on my socials. They'll be down below if you missed them in the beginning of the video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.